Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I am going to solve the Hindi newspaper Sudoku puzzle on September 3, 2022, 3-star Sudoku. Fifth row, we have 8 and 9. So 8 and 9 can't come the two cells. It will come in another two cells. We will confirm later. Then fourth grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 4, 7. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Fifth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 6. Column F, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. Column E, column F, we have 2. 7th row also we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. 6th row, we have 9 and 4. So 9 and 4 can't come these cells. It will come in another two cells. First grade, on 9th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. 5th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 7. Column F, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. 6th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 6. It will come in another two cells. We will confirm later. 7th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 7, 3. Column H, column I, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 7. It will come in another two cells. We will confirm later. Column F, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 8. Second grade, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column E, 4th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Column G, 7th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. 10th row, column E, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Column E, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 5, 6. Second row, we have 1 and 5. So 1 and 5 can't come these cells. It will come in another two cells. We will confirm later. Then only 1 number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. Second grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 5. It will come in another two cells. We will confirm later. 8th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 5. It will come in another two cells. We will confirm later. Second row, we have 5, 6, 2. The 3 numbers can't come the two cells. It will come in another 3 cells. We will confirm later. Then third grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 7. It will come in another two cells. We will confirm later. Then second row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 8. Column B, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. 8th row, we have 1, 6, 4. The 3 numbers can't come this cell. It will come in another 3 cells. We will confirm later. Then column B, only 1 number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. 8th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 7, 8, 5. Column I, column J, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Then 8th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 7. It will come in another two cells. we will confirm later. Column H, column I, we have 9. 9th row also we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. 10th row, column D, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. 3rd grade. And 4th row, we have 7. 9th row also we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. 8th row, only one number remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. Column I, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column J, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 5. 9th grade, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. 3rd grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 6. Column I, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. 10th row, column I, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells, then 2 is confirmed here. 9th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 4. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column C, 3rd row, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells, then 2 is confirmed here. 4th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Column G, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 9th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column I, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. 9th row, only one number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. 3rd row, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 7, 9. Column B, we have 7 and 9. So 7 and 9 can't come this cell. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then only one number is remaining, 1. 1 is confirmed here. Column B, column D, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. 5th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 7. Column B, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then column B, only one number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. 1st grade, only one number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. 10th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 8. Column C, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column C, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Column C, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column H, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.